Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're quite well. Today I have 1200 vintage badge and objects, and these bundles are in AI and PSD. Here is preview for JPG files. In JPG files, here AI user or Adobe Illustrator user, you see here these files are full editable. You can write your own logo, on your text here. Amazing. And here is PSD for Photoshop user. Wow. So first I show you the preview of these files. Money back, 100% money back. Wow. Limited edition money back 20. Okay, you write your own text like a no warranty or warranty, or you can create as a education logo or education bag like this. And you see here the best seller money back guarantee 20 original quality. Okay, perfect choice, super quality this. Wow, you see here best seller product premium graphic victors best sellers. Wow, amazing. So you can choose one by one and edit it. Best choice graphic designer design solution East 1986. Wow. So first I drag this file to Adobe Photoshop, and we need font from web. Okay, I drag this file to Adobe Photoshop, reading Photoshop format, and you see here is background and object is here. Group 1, extract, select this, and you see here. Wow. And write content. Fill any color like red, greens, green are better. And here is font. You can edit it, but first we need a lobster to bold italic. You need this font. First you install it and then you can edit it. Best seller, but Sheri SK. Change font like signature. I think this font is best. Wow. So you can edit your choice. And second option of gradients overlay, make more better, untick light, color. Wow, amazing. So simply you can edit one by one everything. These files are in RGB color, and so I try this here for restaurant or hotel. butcher, restaurant, sign 1836. Butcher original plan, you can edit it, or you can change color or apply gradients overlay. Here is Food Studio, knife, made with love, bake with love, wow, bakery shop. Here is restaurant, you write your own text here. Here is cycling, premium, and hipster. This shape is used for a school badge or label like this. Save or sale, free sale, original save, limited. So you can write your own text or you can change color it. Here is 85 files. Wow, objects, amazing. Here is tag, bicycle, hot lock, camera, movie camera, and mountain, dates, a hut, car. So you can edit it like this. Here is color going to white, okay. And then color going to green. So you see here, apply gradients overlay, depend your own choice. Okay, now and open AI file in Photoshop, because now open Photoshop, now Illustrator. So just I tell you, drag to Photoshop. This file not editable, just a preview, because the files are saved without content. Okay, these files are AI for illustrators. So I hope that this data is useful for you. Kindly subscribe my channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.